Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our sixth video of our Django tutorial series, and in this series we are creating a question answer website. So in the previous video we have worked on our home page. We worked on search, we were fetching the questions and we set up pagination. Now in this video we will work on question detail page. So here is the prototype of the question detail page. The first thing, we will move the search from the container. Here you can see we will move the search from the container to top, and then we will fetch the question detail with comments, tags, username, upvotes, downvotes, all the things. So first we will create the design, and then we will fetch the data in the question detail page. So let's start. So the first thing we will do, in our views.py file I will create a method for detail. So here I will pass request, and the second is id parameter of our question. And now I will render the template, render request detail.html, and here I will fetch the question detail with the help of this id dot get, and I will pass the primary key equal to id. And now here I will pass the question detail. So what the question detail is, this quest. And now we will create the detail page, and before creating the detail page we need to create the URL for detail. So here we will detail, and we are passing the integer, so int, and then the view name, view method, and here the name is detail. Now it's time to create the detail template. So I will copy the home template and paste here, and here the name will be detail.html. So here I have saved this detail.html, and now I will remove the questions. I will remove the question data, and I will remove the pagination. I will remove the question data and pagination. So I have removed the question and I have removed the pagination here. So now my detail page is empty now. So here I will put the detail page. So let's check this. So my server is running. Now if I go to this, then in our home page I have defined the link. So here you can see at the left corner, you can see here we have a detail/3. So when we click this, we are on detail page. Here you can see that we are on detail page. Now we need to move the search from this container to menu. So what will we do? We will copy the search part. We will copy this form and remove this div and paste this in our div class collapse navbar. So this will be show like this, because we have defined the large class. So I will remove the large class and from the input also. Now it is looking nice. Now I will set the alignment. So I will set the alignment class ml auto, so it will make it right, make it center, and I will give the class success to the button. So now this is our detail page. So now this detail page is, so now we will fetch the data. We will create this kind of elements in our detail page, and we will fetch the data. So here we will do we are already passing the question detail. Now we will, in the container, we will create h2, and here I will define the quest dot title, and here in the paragraph text I will define the span, and in the span I will define the add time. So if you remember, we have defined this field in our model. Here you can see we have title, detail, add time. So I'm fetching the title and add time, and after this we need to fetch the user who posted this question. So quest dot user dot username. So here let's check this. So here you can see it is showing now, but we need to this time, we need to this time more looking nice, because in the prototype we have shown 2 days. So now we need to add this humanized touch. So what will we do? So the first thing I will do here, class, I will make some margin top bottom, so that, so let's, now it is okay. Now we will change this date to some humanized touch. So what will we do? We will add the, we will open the setting file and add the humanize this contrib package to the installed apps. And now, so it is it will give us this kind of natural date. So it will convert 16 Feb 2007 becomes yesterday, and so on. So we will use this function natural time. So here you can see it will create the humanize touch like 29 seconds ago, a minute ago, 4 minutes ago. So what will we do? We will use the natural time. So we will use the natural time filter. So here I will add this, and before loading this, we will load the humanize package. So let's check this. Now it is giving us, so we need to restart our server. So here you can see 1 day 1 hour ago. Now we will give this some more margin right. So I will add class margin right 4, and now it is okay. So I will use natural time, is actually not looking very nice, so I will use the natural day actually. So let's check this. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Now later we will see that what we choose, natural day or natural time. Okay, so now we need to work on after the question title and username. Now we will work on upvote and downvote. So for using this arrow I will use the font awesome 4, and let's do this. So I have downloaded the font awesome, and I will copy it in the main static. So here you can see, and in the detail page I am loading this. So what will we do here? We will load font awesome 4. So here we will load. So what is our directory name? For css, and here the file name is font awesome 4. So now font awesome is loading now. So here we will do, first of all we need to add horizontal line. So we have added the horizontal line. So let's this natural day, keep this as a date, day, month, year. but it was not looking nice, so that I have changed this, and 18:9. Now it is looking some better, as compared to yesterday or ago. Later we will see that what we can do for this. So now we have a title, and now we will work on this upward downward section. So what will we do? We will create here row, so that we will divide the left and right section. So what we call one, actually one, and div class call 11, because as you know, bootstrap default giving us 12 grid. So I have given the left section 1 and right section 11. And now in the left section I will define the upvote and downvote div. So upvote and downvote. So here I will do the strong, and here we will put the number, because we don't have any number upvote, so that I am giving it static, and break, and then we will add this actually I, and I will use the class fa arrow up. So I will give the link in the description, so that you can use the font awesome 4. So if you see the documentation, we have icons. And now if I go to the arrow up, here you can see we are using this arrow. So let's do this. So it is showing like this. So now I will add the fa2x, I mean double its size. So this will show like this. Now I will give it, I will make it span, this will span also. So I will give the class, which class? Text success, as we define in our prototype. So we have give the class success. Now the same as for downvote. So I'm giving this class, maybe we will use this in for our Ajax working. So now this numbering will be down, numbering will be go after the arrow, and here will be beer tag, and this will be down, and the color will be red. So here we have a upvote and downvote system. So I will give the margin top 3 pixel, 3 pixel. So now it's looking similar if we compare to the prototype. So now we need to add the question detail, actually not question detail, answer. So let's add the answer. So I will add the lorem ipsum content, because we don't have any answer yet. So let's add the lorem ipsum content. Here we will get this, and let's check this. So we have a content, but I will copy this again. So now we need to add a username who posted this answer, and the number of comments and the tags. So let's do this. So I will add the username who posted this. So I will add user, because we are not fetching the answer, so that I am giving it giving as a static. And we have a, so I will add the class margin right t, and in the span I will use 5 comments. So let's check this. So we have a user and 5 comments. Now we need to add a tags. So let's add tags. So I will again create a paragraph tag, and in this I will use tags. So in our question model we don't define the tag field, so let's define it. So tags equal to models dot, so I will define the text field. So now we need to migrate this. So py manage dot py, and we also need to define the default value because we have already a questions. So this value should be null or something default value. So I have defined this default as a empty, and py manage.py migrations. So here we have a migrate, and now we will run the server, manage.py run the server. So let's check in the admin. So we have a tag field here, you can see we have a tag field. So let's add tag 1, tag 2, tag 3. This will be a comma separated value. So when we take the value from the users, then we will define the condition that we will accept only comma separated value in a tag field. So now we have added the tag. So tag has been added in the database. Now we need to show in the detail page. Before showing this detail page, we need to make this tag as a list so that we can fetch in the loop in the detail page. So what will we do? So here I will go to the views.py, and here I will fetch the tags equal to quest dot tags dot, I will split this by comma, and here I will pass this. So what will be tags, and now in the detail page I will run the loop for tag in tags, and in the loop we will fetch the tag in a link, so that when user click on this specific tag, then it will show the questions according to that tag. So here we will add the tag. So let's check this. Tag is tag in tags. So let's check this tags. We will find the tag because we are in third question and we have defined the tags in the first question. So let's add the tag in third question also. Tag 2, tag 3. So let's add this and check this on detail. So now you can see here we have a tag 1, tag 2, tag 3. So here we have defined our tags. So let's make it some more beautiful, or you can say more looking nice. So what will we do here? I will add the badge secondary, and so here this will be show like this. So I will add two. Yeah, so this is looking okay. So this is looking okay. So now we have created our upvote, downvote, and the questions, and now we need to create the comment section. So here this is our comment section. So here what will we do? We have defined our column. In this column we have created a comment section. So I will define comment section start. So now here we will define the tag h3 and define comment title, and what we have defined h2. Okay, so now h3, and after the h3 we will make some top bottom margin, and here I will define the card. I will fetch the comments in card. So card body, and in the card body I have title and comment. So what will be this? It will be, I will fetch the content of lorem ipsum. So check this content, fetch the lorem ipsum. So what will we show here? We will show this. So we have a comment now, and now we will add this in so that we can, if I here we will add the anchor that who posted this comment. So user. So now I will repeat this card. I will repeat this card body. Actually, okay. So we will repeat this card. So here we have, this is our card. Now I will give some margin bottom 3 and margin 3. I'll give heading more I will give heading more tag, more space. So now I will copy this card, and here we have a comment. So it will be a 2. It will be 2. 2 is okay. 2 is okay. Now this comment will be goes like this. Yeah, this is okay. So now we have designed our detail page, question detail page, and we have fetched the question data. Now we need to add the answer. So what will we do? In the admin panel we have created an answer model. So let's add the answer. So I will add the answer for third question, and here I will add, this is answer of third question. This is the answer of third question. Let's save this. So now we need to fetch the answer of this question. So what will we do? So here we will fetch the answer. So we have attached the model with our answer. We have attached the answer with our question. So here in the detail page we will get the answer with question. So quest dot answer dot detail. So we have model detail. Okay, so now detail, let's check this. So we have quest dot answer dot detail. We need to fetch the answer separately. In the view. So let's answer equal to and let's check this again. Question dot answer dot detail. Yeah, so this is our third question and the answer is not showing. So let's fetch separately this answer equal to answer. I will fetch this model answer, and then we will fetch the data answer dot objects dot filter. So it will be a question equal to this quest. So let's add check this answer. Let's pass this answer. So it will be detailed. So where we have added this, we have added this answer on the, this is third question. Okay, we have added this answer on the third question, but it is not showing. So we have answer dot detail. So in model we have a text field, we have a question, we have a detail page, and in the detail we have answer, but it is not showing. So let's track this error. So why it is not showing the answer? Hmm, answer equal to answer dot objects dot get. I'll use get. Yeah, so we need to replace the filter with get method. Okay, so now answer is showing. Now we need to put the who posted this answer. So this will be answer dot user dot username. Actually in model we didn't define the user, that who is posted this answer. We need to add the uh, add the user field, that who is posting this answer. So models dot foreign key and user. So user, and I will copy the upper part actually. So here we will add the upper part, and we need to remove all the answers. So I will go to the answer, and we need to actually comment this, then we can operate in the admin. So I will remove the answers. Okay, and now we need to add this field answer in the we need to migrate this py manage.py make migrations. Now we will add this in. We are trying to add non-nullable without default. We actually need to add the null field. So what will we do? We will models dot set null. Okay, now we will migrate again, make migration, and it will be a models dot set. We will do this null equal to true. Okay, so it is working now. So we will add this migrate, and it is migration has been successful. Now we will add manage.py run server. So let's check this. So we answer matching query does not exist because we don't have any answer, and we try to fetch the detail. We try to fetch the answer for the detail. So what will we do? We will get the, we need to fix this. We will try, we will use try and except case in our uh, in this part, in this answer views.py part. So let's, so if our questions, if answer is none, then we will, I will not do this currently, I will do this later. So let's first we need to add the answer. First we need to check that the user is showing or not. So admin, this is answer of third question. So this is the answer of third question. So now we will get this is the answer of third question, and here we will fetch the username. So here I will do this answer dot user dot username. Okay, so here admin is showing now. And one thing more we need to do, that when this answer has been posted, so here I will add the margin class also here, and here I will add the add time. So let's check in the model. Yeah, so we have add time, answer dot add time, and I will add this format of date, month, and year. If you want to give time, then you can here add HIS, so this will show the time also. As you can see, we have a 1943, so this H will be 24-hour format and small h will be 12-hour format. So we are showing this time and date. So this is username, this is our username, this is our comment, and these tags are now dynamic. So now we need to fetch the comments of this answer. So let's go to the admin, and here we will add some comments on the answer this, and who is commenting, and use this user, but we don't have a comment field. So let's add in the model. We don't have a comment field, so I will copy this. I will not copy this, I will copy this detail. Copy this detail and show here detail, and add the detail page in the detail comment. Okay, so now it is comment. Now we need to define the default. So I will define default equal to, so I will request you to, if you have any improvement or any suggestion for me, then please comment in the comment box, and I will try to improve myself. And here I will, because I'm also learning the things, but I am not beginner. I have created many projects in Django, but still I am learning. So we have migrated this .py answer. So now server is running correctly. So we have a comment section now. So let's add comment. This is comment on the answer. This is comment on the answer. This is comment on the third answer, actually. Third answer. Okay. On the third answer, we have saved this comment, and now we will fetch this comment on the detail page. So we are fetching tag and all the things. So we will remove this static data, and we will fetch the comments. So we need to pass the comments of this uh, answer. So comments equal to, we will fetch the data in the from the comment object. So I will get the model comment here also, comment objects, and here I will pass the answer key. Okay, now we are ready to fetch the comments. So I will make it more specific, make it more looking nice. So here I will go to this, indent this comments, here I will do the comments. So let's check this comment. Let's fetch the comments, actually not check this. 4, I'm not a I'm not an English native speaker, as you know, but I will try to improve myself. If you have any communication problem or understanding problem, then please comment in the comment box that which sentence or which line is you are not understanding. And I hope you are understanding all the things, because if my speaking will be wrong, but my coding will be show you that what I want to say. So I think you will understand all the things. So comment dot comment. So let's check this. So it is saying that comment object is not iterable, because we are not passing the comments. If we passing the comments and get answer, so let's check the model. We have an answer and comments. So where are we wrong? Comments dot object dot answer equal to, I'm passing the instance, yeah, I'm passing the instance, and comments, and it is saying that it is not iterable. So why it is not iterable? Comment is not iterable. So we are passing the answer, we are doing all the things. So if I return the response, render http response, return response, I want to debug this. I'm trying to debug this. So it is saying it's a object. Actually, we need to filter this. We don't need to filter this. Yeah, this is comment on the third answer. Yeah, now questions. So why the answer was not working in the filter case? So why the answer was not working if I set the filter for? So let's debug this in by doing this project. Let's debug, work on the detail page. So now we have a comment is showing. So what will we do now? We will show the user. So comment dot user dot username. So it is showing the admin. Let's add another comment on this. So as admin, this is second comment. See, and let's check the detail page. So now you can see we have a second comment, but I want to show the comments as a descending order. So I will do order by id descending. So the second comment is now on top, so it is showing now in descending order. So we have created our uh, detail page, almost everything. We have fetched the all data, and in the upcoming videos we will work on this. In the next video, actually, I will work on this upvote and downvote, and then in the upcoming videos we will create a user authentication system so that user can add comment and add answer. So we will create the add answer form and we will create the comment form in the upcoming videos. So for now, it's we have created the detail page. So if you have any improvement, any suggestion, anything for me that can I improve myself, then please comment in the comment box. And if you like this video, then please, I hope, I'm sure you like this video, please share, subscribe and like this video. So thank you so much.